Today we're gonna make the best cream cheese buttercream. It is silky smooth with that tang from cream cheese and then just a hint of lemon to kind of cut the sweetness. It's perfection. You're gonna love it on gingerbread cake or carrot cake. I mean, just really anything. So cream cheese buttercream, super easy. So I've got my cream cheese that is nice and room temp. Place that in there. So the key to success here is that you do want your cream cheese and your butter to both be room temperature. If either one is too cold, then it'll create chunks and lumps that you'll never be able to get out of your buttercream, which isn't the end of the world, but you know, it's not perfection, and that's what we strive for here. So butter, very soft, you can see, very soft, right? Get in there. So we're just gonna cream those two things together. Just beat them really, really, really well. Just gonna scrape that down to make sure nothing has stuck to the bottom or anything. So while that beats, I'm gonna juice my lemon. I like to put a little lemon juice in my cream cheese buttercream. It's what makes it like super duper special, because it kind of cuts some of that sweetness and like keeps the tang. Okay. So we're gonna use about 2 tablespoons. It's basically the juice of one big lemon like this. Our butter and cream cheese is super duper smooth. So I'm gonna turn that down, and then I'm gonna add my 10X, so my confectioner sugar. If yours is particularly lumpy, then you should probably whisk it or sift it. Start it on low and then increase so you don't get confectioner sugar all over your ceiling. Meanwhile, I'm just going to strain my lemon juice into another container, my sugar container. Now we're just going to go ahead and see how she's doing. She's doing well. She's looking nice and light and fluffy. And so I'm going to add my flavorings. So I've got vanilla right here. I'm going to put a little vanilla in there. Lemon juice. This time, now that you've beat in all of your, kind of wet ingredients, if you will, your flavorings, you're going to want to test the consistency and make sure that it's something that is going to work for you. This is going to work for me. I'm just going to ice a sheet cake, so I'm not terribly concerned about it. But if you want it a little firmer, then you could go ahead and add a little bit more 10X. You could also pop it in the fridge. So I'm just going to beat this really, really well. Make sure it's super duper light, and that's it. So that's how you make cream cheese buttercream. Super fast, super easy, and super delicious.